Paper can become faded, torn, and stained over time. The right way to restore damaged paper depends on the type of damage. If you have paper with faded ink on it, take a high-resolution photo of the paper. Then, increase the contrast in the photo to make the ink clearer and easier to read. Print the edited photo out on new paper. If you have paper that's torn, you can use acid-free glue from a craft store to fix it. Set the torn paper on top of a sheet of wax paper and apply the glue to the tear with a small brush. Then, place a second sheet of wax paper on top and press a bone folder over the glue for 1 minute. Let the glue dry for 10 minutes. Then, peel off the wax paper. To remove stains on paper, first, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Then, lightly dab the mixture onto the stains with a cotton ball to remove them.